It's a 2024 Honda Accord Hybrid. This Accord Hybrid offers refined elegance, technology that keeps you comfortable, connected, and safe, and amazing fuel efficiency. Your friends will be green with envy. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, steering assist cruise control, inductive device charging, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, driver control suspension management, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, our customer service speaks for itself. Visit today. We're conveniently located at 5655 South Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis.